Kunesigaba la empilweni esibizwa ukuthi i-plateau latent potential eshiwo uJames Clear lo we-Atomic Habits, leyo ncwadi ethi Atomic Habits. Yabona mfowethu, nansi into omele uyazi. Ungaba umuntu ongcono kakhulu kabi kunalokho oyikona. Ungakubona kuwumqansa wena onganye kwambongolo. Kodwa kukhona isigaba la masuqalile khona okuyozenzekalela khona ukuphumelela nje kube effortlessly kuwena. Uphumelele uvuka embedeni ungenzile lutho. Ngenxa ukuthini? I-growth ekuqaleni iyinkinga idinge i-effort yakho. Yabo wena wabona umuntu ofunda something njalo meyeqala kumele ukuthi a-exercise i-willpower yakhe. Kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ugcina lento esenza automatically. Ubantu usacabanga ukuthi unyawo lususwa kanjani libekwa kanjani ukuze ahambe akasekho nje njengoba ningilalele la. Ngokunjalo futhi noma ukhulisa i-portfolio thina esi-investor, i-portfolio ikhulisa ngamandla akho, ngama-contributions akho ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kufike la khona i-portfolio ikhulela yona khona. Thola ukuthi nje i-average annual compound rate le isikhulela yona without i-effort yakho. Nakhona ke mawuyiqala lento emele uyiqale, emele wazi ukuthi uzogcina seziqhubekela zona ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelele u-changes akhasha ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ya uqala inkinga uqala and noma usuqalile ke kuyaye kube khona isigaba la khona ngathi awenzi lutho. Ingoba akafiki lento ekuthiwa i-plateau of latent potentials. Uyabona mangabe uthi ubeke amanzi, ukushisa nokushisa kuya build up kulamanzi. Istofu kodwa kumele silokhu sishisile constantly. Ukushisa nokushisa i-degree ne-degree ya build up kulamanzi agcine sebile. Awuvela uthi ubeka nje ebebile. Yabo? Kumele kufike lesi sigaba ekuthiwa i-plateau of latent potential. Into nento eyenzayo is building up. Yabo? Yabo mase uthi unyazisa isigqobo esiqinile kanje, sinyakazisa. Akubona lokhu kunyakazisa kwakho kokugcina. Kodwa okwenza ukuthi isigqobo siphume. Ikona konke nalokho okunye ebekungathi khona awenzi lutho uyadlala nakho ku-contributile la ekuthenini gcine sekunje sisiphumile. Lento imply kona ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi uyaqala uyazenza lezi zinto ekumele ukuthi uzenze and uba consistent kuzona, yes kuzoke kuba ngathi awenzi lutho, but over time uzobona nawe uzomangala nawe ngokwakho uthi hawu impela lo automatically nje sengivele umzimba wami usiyazi ukuthi uma ngifika semele ngihambe ngiye ejimini, sekuyazazekela. Mangifika kumele njalo mangiholile sekuyayibudgetekela. Yabo seziyazenzekela lezi zinto lezi kumele ukuthi uzenze ukuze ube lo muntu ofuna uba uyena. Nangihlekiswa yilaba abafike ba ama channel members. Mhlawumbe ake ngithi mhlawumbe they are just contributing nje, bayanikela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu lapho ma ukuthi that you do that intentionally. But if ukuthi you are doing that unintentionally, hey, kumele ukuthi uyibuye uyilungise leyo nto. I mean, I'm not concerned about imali yakho or contributor ngayo. I'm not concerned about it that much. I'm concerned about you. Yabo? I'm concerned about you. Akugona kafaka imali uzobona lapha yami ukuthi uzoba nesifiso sokwenza ama spiritual practices kodwa bese ungawenzi. Angeke imali kwenzele lutho, ngisho ungayifaka ngeke izokwenzele lutho ube i-channel member lapha ku YouTube, ngeke izokwenza, ngeke imali izikwenzela ama spiritual practices, azokwenza uwena. Lawo esiwenza lapha ku YouTube ngo Monday nango Thursday ngo 7 PM. Awukwenza uwena. Ayithi abanye baye befaka imali emajimini. Ecabanga ukuthi umuntu kuzojima imali bese kujima yena, akwenzeki kanjalo. You are going to do lento kumele ukuthi uyenze. Kodwa into ekumele ukuthi uyazi, kuzofika isigaba la khona kuyi plateau of latent potential. La khona sokuthi qhu awu sokungenile, sekuyabona khona into engiyenzayo. Sekuyazenzakalela kona. Kuyazenzakalela. Yabo? Akusakumangaza ukuthi umhlobo womuntu onje, umbildile lowo muntu wena, wenza izinto ekumele ukuthi uzenze, wa exert effort wena kuwena, why better and better version of yourself. Ugcina kuzenzakalela. Ngaleso sikhathi ke uphumelela uvuka ekseni, uvuka nje uyinto ephumelele vele, because seku automatically indlela ocabanga ngayo kuyendleleni owenza ngayo ya aligna ne-objective nama goals akho empilweni yakho. Envisioned self ya aligna automatically. Yabona ngeke mfethu ufike ufise ukuba se-USA kodwa wena bese uthatha indlela ebheke eChina, akukwazi kwenzeka lokho. Mele uyihambe indlela eyali. Yabo, mele uyihambe and ube better and better kwi-process. Stick on the process. Ungafocus ekuthenini ufuna ukubona izinto zishintsha ngaphandle, uyona ukushuthwa nefocus. We are goal orientated, angabe uba process orientated. You want to be better at what you are doing. Surely vele the results are going to come. And impilo ke it's a delayed a reflection of the person you are when your habits, your lifestyle, your character. It's a delayed reflection of even money. Money is just a reflection of your work that you have done when. Money is just a reflection of you, the value you have created when. And then it is going to show outside. Yabo? Even ukujima, you know ukuthi ukujima ngiyovela uvuka ekseni uyibona hawu sengaze ngayiskora. You are going to do that when you are going to exercise, you are going to lift your weight, and then you see slowly then you see the results. But you are not going to focus on every day because you are uzo discourage kuzoba ngathi kuzoba khona igaba la ngathi awenzi lutho khona in your life. Abanye baxheka ukuthi lento akayisebenzi, this and that, but it is building up. That is why they say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with only one step. Take one step at a time. Take one step at a time. Do what you need to do. No one is going to do it for you. And be consistent. Show up. Don't try to be perfect every time. Don't strive for a perfection. In fact, don't focus on being perfect in doing. A perfection is a process. It's not an end goal or end result. A perfection. It's a process of becoming better and better. But you know for sure that you cannot be perfect. Yabo? So, when I just show up and doing that you need to show up in your life, when was what you need to fix in your own life, show up. You better be late than never. Because today I'm feeling so bad, I'm not going to do what I need to do. No, do it, even if you don't do it well, but at least you show up, you have shown up to do it. Whatever that you need to do. Ungafuni ube yi-perfectionist, ube ne-perfectionist mindset. No, yokugqilaza lonto. Show up. Hayi, ngicabanga ukuthi siyohlangana ngawo kumhla ka-2 kaMeyi. Lapha eMorning Side siyohlangana khona. Indlela ke yokubhuka ke ngishilo ngathi link le ela, pressa yona. Bese uyascrolla lapha kwi-calendar uzuye kumhla ka-2 May. uzobe usuyakwazi ukubhukha one person at a time.